Hey y'all! So today I'm going to show you how I did my hair for a night out for my friend's bar crawl. And also I'm using a new product I've never used before. It's called Pillow Soft Curls by Miss Jessie's. I've been dying to use this product and I finally found like the little packets. But before I start, I always spray my hair with water. I cannot do my hair with dry hair. Like I have to spray with water unless it's just trash, honestly. And so then I split my hair in half, the bottom half and the top half. I did that because my bottom curls are a different curl type than my top curls. And I just split it to where it naturally splits. I didn't tear any knots or anything. Then I sprayed the bottom part of my hair again just to make sure it was nice and damp. And then I applied the product to a section of my hair. Since the back of my hair does have tighter curls, I try to do smaller sections. And lately, I've been trying to keep the back of my hair more detangled because when I don't, it's just hard to detangle the back of my hair because those curls, they just love to hug each other and get all tangled up. But yeah, I applied the product from the end all the way up to the roots, and this is what it looked like. You can already tell the shrinkage is a tad bit better, but I just did that for the rest of the section on that hair, and now you can see a big difference between the two sides. Like the left side is dropping a lot more than the right side. And then I just applied the product to the other half of my hair, kind of like finger detangling throughout while I'm doing it. And so now you can see my hair looks much better. You can kind of see the strands coming out a bit. It looks like it wanna curl, be cute. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. So I'm just gonna speed through me doing the rest of my hair because it's all basically the same thing. Split it into a section where it naturally splits. Spray that section with water. Apply the product from the edge all the way to the root. Finger detangle it into strands, just style it how you want it to look. I will say for the front of my hair, I did it a little differently as far as detangling. So I like a mop head look more than the middle part. So I like there to be hair in my face. So as you can see, for the detangling, I just split them up into smaller strands. And that's really the only difference. Then once you finish, you just style your hair how you want. And this is the finished look. I love how it came out. So this is the before when I look kind of crusty and dusty. And this is the after. My curls look so much better. They're hydrated. The detangling helped like strands come out. I love it. I love it. I love it. But this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I'm going to attach some snap videos so you can see what it looked like throughout the night.
So what happened? What's the meaning? I thought you want this for my life, for my life.